2010 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter V-Force, or I-Force, not V-Force, I-Force V8. Got some fat rubber on it. Check it out. Anyways, factory converters, as usual, there and there, there and there. Then it comes true dual from the factory. And you know what he brought us? A Black Widow Black Venom, or Race Venom. Black Widow Black Venom, that's a good one. Part number, here it is. BWSR22, I guess. It's 2.5 all the way around. There it is right there. I just wasted like 20 seconds trying to find a part number. And I still couldn't find it. Anyways, Black Widow, 2.25 inlets, 2.5 inlets, 2.5 outlets. And we added 2.25 tailpipes out the back on each side into 3.5-inch black roll tips there and right there, as you guys can see. Came out absolutely magnificent today, or beautiful, or nice, or whatever you want to call it. Anyways, we're gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's the original muffler that comes on these. It's dual in, single out. It comes with a baby resonator in 2010. And there's a 3-inch tailpipe. As you guys can see, there it is. Looks a lot better with duals. Duals! Duals! That's Black Widow. Black Widow Race Venom 112 again. Not bad at all. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Go ahead and back it out. Bad sound. What do you guys think? Let us know. We'll let you guys hear on the inside. Tundra, Black Widow, Race Venom. True dual with 3.5-inch black tips. Nice. Enjoy, guys.